Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. It is given that the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 8. If 36 is added to the number, the digits interchange their place. Find the number. So first, let us assume y is units place digit and x is tens place digit. Therefore, original number will be equal to 10x plus y, and number obtained by reversing the digits, that is reverse number, interchanging the digits, that is reverse number, which is equal to 10y plus x. Now in first part of the question it is given that sum of the digits is 8. So x plus y equal to 8. Let's name it equation 1. And we are given if 36 is added to the number, the digits interchange their place. So 10x plus y plus 36 is equal to 10y plus x. So now let's get the like terms together here. So 10y minus y is 9y and x minus 10x is minus 9y. So 9y minus 9x is equal to 36. If we divide all of this by 9, we get y minus x equal to 4. Let's name it equation 2. Now by adding 1 and 2, we get x plus y minus x equal to 8 plus 4. So x get cancelled out and we are left with 2y equal to 12. So we get value of y as 6. Now putting this in equation 1, putting y equal to 6 in 1, we get x plus 6 equal to 8. So that gives us x equal to 8 minus 6. So we get x equal to 2. Now we've got values of both the digits. So original number is, therefore original number, since we are asked to find the number, so original number is equal to 10x plus y equal to 10 into 2 plus 6, which is equal to 26. So this is the required number.